gonna go check some, today we're gonna go check some waterfalls. Yes. What we're doing, or what we did, we mapped out all the first waterfalls in Ubud so we can do it all in one day. So there's Ubud and we are now over here. Then we're gonna make our way south. First waterfall, we went pretty early, we went at like 10 o'clock, so there was no crowd. It was awesome. When we left, people started coming in. Thank you. Pengibul Waterfall. Going to Tibumana Waterfall next. Quiet, so I think we went early enough. Yeah. Planning to do the waterfall in Bali, I think you should go early as possible, definitely. If you're going to Bali, I really recommend going to Ubud. Even if you're not going to Ubud, Bali has so many waterfalls to visit. I unfortunately only had one day set out for waterfalls. Most of the waterfalls are free, but just remember there's usually like a parking fee. And they are so easy to find, just use Google Maps and it'll take you straight to them. Oh, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And if you're already subscribed, I'll see you next week.